You don't need more grammar. You need these sentences. You already understand English. But when it's time to speak, you freeze. In the next few minutes, I'll give you simple sentences you can use immediately in real life. No rules, no boring lessons. One begins with the most essential daily sentences. These are the phrases you'll use every day, whether you're greeting someone, asking about their activities, or responding to questions. I'll say each phrase, pause so you can repeat, and then say it again slowly for clarity. This method helps you hear every sound and practice pronunciation. Let's dive into these basic sentences and make them a part of your routine. Remember, the more you use them, the more natural they will feel. First phrase is simple yet powerful. How are you? This is a common greeting used everywhere. When you meet someone, start with this question. It shows you care and opens the conversation. Practice saying it naturally and listen for the response. You can use it with friends, colleagues, or even strangers. Remember, the tone matters, so keep it friendly and open. Let's say it together. How are you? Responding to how are you is just as important. A simple answer is I am doing well. This phrase is positive and polite. It's a great way to let others know you're feeling good. Practice saying it clearly and notice how it makes the conversation flow smoothly. You can also use variations like I'm fine or I'm good. The key is to respond confidently and keep the interaction pleasant. Next, we have what are you doing? This question is useful when you want to know someone's current activity. It's casual and works in many situations, whether you're checking in with a friend or starting a conversation at work. Practice saying it naturally and listen for different responses. This phrase helps you connect and stay engaged with others. Common answer to what are you doing is I am working. This phrase is straightforward and lets others know you're busy with your tasks. It's useful in both professional and casual settings. Practice saying it clearly and use it whenever you need to explain your current activity. This helps set expectations and keeps communication clear. Another useful question is where are you going? This phrase is perfect for checking someone's plans or movements. It's friendly and shows interest in their activities. Practice saying it with a natural tone and use it in everyday conversations. This question helps you stay connected and learn more about others. When someone asks about your plans, you can reply with I will go later. This phrase is simple and lets others know you're not leaving right away. It's useful for managing expectations and keeping conversations clear. Practice saying it and use it whenever you need to explain your timing. Sometimes you need to ask someone to wait. The phrase please wait is polite and direct. It's perfect for situations where you need a moment to finish something or prepare. Practice saying it with a calm tone and use it to keep interactions respectful and smooth. If you need a brief moment, say just a second. This phrase is casual and friendly. It's great for everyday situations when you need to pause before continuing. Practice saying it naturally and use it to keep conversations relaxed and easygoing. When you want to show that you follow what someone is saying, use I understand. This phrase is reassuring and helps build trust in conversations. Practice saying it clearly and use it to confirm your comprehension. It's useful in both personal and professional settings. If you're confused or need clarification, say I don't understand. This phrase is honest and helps others know you need more information. Practice saying it politely and use it to keep communication clear and effective. It's important to express when you need help. Now let's move into part 2, real conversation. These phrases help you navigate a talk with someone else. They are essential for understanding, clarifying, and responding during a conversation. Practice each phrase and use them to make your interactions smoother and more effective. Let's explore these key expressions. When you need assistance, simply ask, "Can you help me?" This phrase is polite and direct. It's perfect for situations where you need support or guidance. Practice saying it with a friendly tone and use it whenever you need help from others. If something is unclear, ask, "What do you mean?" This phrase helps you get clarification and understand the other person better. Practice saying it politely and use it to keep conversations clear and productive. Sometimes you need to hear something one more time. Use the phrase, "Say that again." It's a simple way to ask for repetition and make sure you understand. Practice saying it clearly and use it to keep communication effective. If you need someone to slow down, say, "Please speak slowly." This phrase is helpful when you're learning or when the conversation is moving too fast. Practice saying it politely and use it to make sure you catch every word. When you need a moment to consider your answer, say, "Let me think." This phrase gives you time and shows you're thoughtful. Practice saying it naturally and use it to keep conversations relaxed and thoughtful. When you agree with someone's suggestion, say, "That's a good idea." This phrase is positive and encouraging. Practice saying it with enthusiasm and use it to support others and build positive relationships. To show agreement, use "I agree with you." This phrase is clear and supportive. Practice saying it confidently and use it to strengthen your connections and show respect for others' opinions. If you disagree, say, "I don't think so." This phrase is polite and allows you to express your opinion without being rude. Practice saying it gently and use it to keep conversations respectful and open. When you want to reassure someone, say, "No problem." This phrase is friendly and helps keep conversations relaxed. Practice saying it naturally and use it to show you're easygoing and helpful. To comfort or reassure someone, use "It's okay." This phrase is gentle and supportive. Practice saying it with a calm tone and use it to help others feel better and keep conversations positive. Moving on to part 3, daily life. These sentences are for your schedule and how you're feeling throughout the day. They help you describe your actions, plans, and emotions. Practice each phrase and use them to make your daily conversations more natural and expressive. When you're heading somewhere, say, I am on my way. This phrase is useful for letting others know you're coming. Practice saying it clearly and use it to keep your friends and colleagues informed. If you can't talk right now, say, I will call you later. This phrase is polite and helps manage your schedule. Practice saying it naturally and use it to keep conversations organized and respectful. When you're occupied, say, I am busy right now. This phrase is honest and helps others understand your situation. Practice saying it politely and use it to set boundaries and manage your time. If you need to postpone a conversation, say, let's talk later. This phrase is friendly and helps keep communication open. Practice saying it naturally and use it to manage your schedule and stay connected. To check in or ask about current events, say, what's going on? This phrase is casual and helps you stay informed. Practice saying it with a relaxed tone and use it to start conversations and learn more. If there's nothing new, say, nothing special. This phrase is simple and keeps conversations light. Practice saying it naturally and use it to respond to questions about your day or activities. When you're feeling exhausted, say, I am tired. This phrase is honest and helps others understand your mood. Practice saying it clearly and use it to express your feelings and get support if needed. When you're in a positive mood, say, I feel good. This phrase is uplifting and helps share your happiness. Practice saying it with enthusiasm and use it to spread positivity in your conversations. If you need a break, say, I need some rest. This phrase is honest and helps others understand your needs. Practice saying it politely and use it to manage your energy and take care of yourself. When you're ready to begin something, say, let's start. This phrase is motivating and helps get things moving. Practice saying it confidently and use it to encourage action and teamwork. Part 4 is incredibly important. Confidence builders. Learning a language is a mental game, so repeat these sentences to strengthen your mindset. These phrases help you stay motivated, positive, and persistent. Practice them daily and use them to boost your confidence and keep moving forward. When you need encouragement, say, I can do this. This phrase is powerful and helps you believe in yourself. Practice saying it confidently and use it to overcome challenges and stay motivated. Remind yourself of progress with I am learning every day. This phrase keeps you focused and positive. Practice saying it regularly and use it to celebrate your growth and improvement. Acknowledge your progress with I am improving. This phrase is motivating and helps you stay committed. Practice saying it confidently and use it to remind yourself of your achievements. Overcome fear with I am not afraid. This phrase is empowering and helps you face challenges. Practice saying it boldly and use it to build courage and confidence. Persistence is key. Say, I will try again to remind yourself that effort leads to success. Practice saying it with determination and use it to keep moving forward after setbacks. Stay strong with I will not give up. This phrase is powerful and helps you stay resilient. Practice saying it confidently and use it to overcome obstacles and keep your motivation high. Confidence starts with belief. Say, I believe in myself to reinforce your self-esteem. Practice saying it daily and use it to build a strong, positive mindset. Celebrate progress with I am getting better. This phrase is motivating and helps you recognize your achievements. Practice saying it regularly and use it to stay positive and focused. Remind yourself of your abilities with I can speak English. This phrase is empowering and helps you build confidence in your language skills. Practice saying it proudly and use it to motivate yourself. Finish your confidence building with I will speak confidently. This phrase is motivating and helps you approach conversations with assurance. Practice saying it with energy and use it to make your English speaking strong and natural. Finally, part 5, quick expressions. These are short, natural reactions you can use in any conversation. They help you respond quickly and keep interactions lively. Practice each phrase and use them to make your English more dynamic and engaging. When you agree or approve, say, sounds good. This phrase is casual and positive. Practice saying it with enthusiasm and use it to keep conversations upbeat. Celebrate good news with that's great. This phrase is enthusiastic and helps share joy. Practice saying it with energy and use it to encourage others. Express surprise or interest with really. This phrase is short and keeps conversations lively. Practice saying it naturally and use it to show curiosity. Show willingness or agreement with of course. This phrase is friendly and keeps conversations positive. Practice saying it confidently and use it to respond quickly. Encourage action or agreement with why not. This phrase is casual and helps keep conversations open. Practice saying it naturally and use it to invite ideas and participation. Give permission or encourage someone with go ahead. This phrase is supportive and helps keep conversations moving. Practice saying it confidently and use it to show encouragement. Show concern or caution with be careful. This phrase is caring and helps keep conversations thoughtful. Practice saying it gently and use it to show you care about others' safety. End conversations warmly with take care. This phrase is friendly and helps build positive relationships. Practice saying it sincerely and use it to show kindness. Say goodbye with see you soon. This phrase is friendly and keeps connections strong. Practice saying it naturally and use it to end conversations on a positive note. Wish others well with have a nice day. This phrase is polite and helps spread positivity. Practice saying it warmly and use it to make your conversations pleasant and memorable. Learn practical English sentences for real-life situations. These phrases cover greetings, daily life conversations, confidence building, and quick expressions. Practice them regularly and you'll find your English speaking skills improving naturally. Remember, the key is to use these sentences every day and make them a part of your routine. With confidence and practice, you'll communicate easily and effectively.